itatry naman namin dalawa. Meet Julia.
Yeah, so the goal here is sa fifth and last challenge, hihilahin ng loops Tesla Cybertruck at sasagisaan natin ang Honor X90 5G. My
Yes, yes, yes. So bigat siya. I mean, 3 tons na siya. Pero tingnan natin.
Okay, I know this is gonna be challenging, but kaya natin. Let's see. Let's see.
Tingnan natin.
Let's try. Okay.
Wala ka experience with it. We don't want to preempt activities natin this afternoon sa mga bisita natin na dadating practice. Para hindi rin ma-preempt yung ating
Ready and 3, 2, 1, then go.
Hello guys, ngayon